Hey everybody, I want to give you a flip through of this journal called Farbrengen Garden, a handbook for women's gatherings to nourish your Neshamah. Okay, so this is a journal to take with you to a Farbrengen. And you would put the Farbrengen info here. So like if it's, like Yud Tes Kislev or Yud Beis Tammuz, whatever it is, or even if it's someone's birthday, you could write what that, what it is and what it's about, the date and location, just to remember for your keepsake, Here's for the speaker or the shiur, you can write, it says, use a space for taking notes, write down any important ideas you hear or think about and brachas you want to reveal. And then this is another space just to take notes, write down ideas, or what the speaker was discussing, that ideas you want to remember. Here's a coloring page. You can use these coloring pages for when you sing nigunim or anytime you want to just go inward during the Farbrengen, just something to color or doodle, trace over it, whatever you want to do with this page is your own. Write a poem about this Farbrengen. So this you'll do after the Farbrengen is over. You could even do it during. It's your journal. You make it what you want, Write a poem about this Farbrengen, and that's just your way of expressing and connecting with it. I personally love writing poetry, so, and I'll just flip you through. It does repeat, has enough space for 25 Farbrengens, and this is the book. Okay, thank you so much.